I'm still trying to figure out a good way to do the mic. Because right now, I'm recording it with Bluetooth on the phone through the Cardo. But it's the wind noise, man. The wind noise sucks. I can't remember, dude. Who sings Mamba number 5? Yep. Completely ignored, moving on swiftly. What the fuck? Oh, okay. It's all good. So this bike has like a false neutral between 5 and 6, which really is fucking annoying, by the way. Because I don't want to fuck up my bike.